The sketchbooks to him were collections of memories and things that he would see on his trips that he would try to collect while he was on those trips to have as a reference point when he was back in London in his studio. So he was like, I need to paint a landscape of a lake, or I need to do a work of this medieval city. Let me look back at my sketchbook of when I was in Venice to draw some inspiration for that. There's tiny, tiny little ones, and when I say tiny, I mean something like 5 centimeters by 5 centimeters. Something that could maybe fit inside his coat pocket. To the large watercolor sketchbooks that you can carry under your arm. He developed a kind of shorthand way of sketching where he would just do lots of little sketches in quick succession, and it gave him a better opportunity of capturing more information. So those sketchbooks are just filled with tiny little sketches. Pages maybe have 1, 2, 3, 4, even 5 sketches at a time, and then he'll write notes on it. I like to think about it as someone today, you're walking around and you're looking at a really beautiful sunset and you stop to use your notes app to write down how you're feeling or how that sunset has made you feel. I imagine him maybe on one of his trips and he's sitting somewhere and he's doing all these sketches of the people that he's seeing on the street and the clothes that they're wearing. It makes me think that I don't spend enough time just sitting and observing the things happening around me.